We're gonna have to open up this hole for our carriage. So we're gonna have to change our bit out. 3/8 should do it. Just want to clean up any sharp edges. This way, if somebody's sliding the bolt up and down, we don't want them to get their hand caught on any sharp edges left on the bolts. So we just lightly hit them with a file. We cut those carriage bolts, no problem. You could see we didn't nick any teeth on that amp blade. It's made for thick metal. Then they have a thin metal blade that's made for 1/8 inch and thinner metal. It probably would cut those carriage bolts too, but this one's made for 3/16 up to 9/16, so why not use this instead? Perfect. To open the hole perfectly, what we're going to use is this step bit from DIABLO. This is a step drill bit that's made to be used in an impact driver. It has a 1/4 inch hex shank. Pretty awesome. Open it up just enough to slide the bolt in. Perfect. All right, one down, one to go. We got a couple of things we could do here. We could drill the hole and we could just drop the bolt or the pin into the concrete. Now this is a very old and fully cured concrete. It's extremely hard, and that means a couple of things. The concrete could shatter, it could flake off depending on the concrete, so we might need to sleeve the hole, which isn't it's not a big deal, but it would add a little extra support, like gusseting almost. Recently, especially with what's going on in the world, we've been doing a lot more work in older locations. We've been doing a lot more drilling into more fully cured and older concrete. I like something that lasts a little bit longer. And we've been having really good luck with these DIABLO rebar demon bits. Now, I don't necessarily believe that there's rebar in here, but this is an addition that was built later. They might have pinned these slabs together, although we are seeing a crack here. So I don't know what we're going to find, but I will tell you, if we do encounter some rebar pinning in here, we shouldn't have a problem. I don't know if people know this or not. DIABLO actually makes their own carbides. not only for the rebar demon, for their saw blades and their other tool accessories. It's pretty innovative. And that's why they're the leader in cutting accessories. It's like a hot knife through warm butter. Nice. It's not even like, we didn't even wear all the paint off of that. This bit's gonna drill a lot more holes, and it's gonna allow me to make a lot more money. And if you like getting more money out of the money that you spend on tools and accessories, then smash the like button. It's free for you to do, helps out the channel immensely, and you get 7 years of good luck. Also, leave it down below what's your favorite Diablo tool accessory, blade, bit. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.